Okay, everybody. I had a little adventure on the doodoo bike a couple months ago. I was at the right side of a van, and he took off, and I took off, and somehow his mirror caught onto my clutch handle, both clutch handle, and Mikey and I went down. Luckily, we didn't get too hurt. More embarrassed than anything. But I came to realize I can't have stock pipes in Los Angeles. So I found some Vance and Hines long shots for $100. Not in perfect condition, but actually better condition than the Mikey, so whatever, works perfect. Then I took it over to 5-Star and had them put it on. It was a good thing because it was about ready to have manifold leaks and exhaust leaks, because it's been a while since it's already been apart. And the gas lines had been a while since it's been apart, so all new gas lines, and they found the regulator was all crusty and about ready to go shit, so we put a new one of them on. And she's back in action. So had it for sale for a while. It's like, I can't sell the bike. Just is what it is. So she's ready to go. You and me. And that trusty Evo. She has to break down on me because we maintenance the shit out of it. Now she sounds good. Always maintenance your motorcycles, they won't let you down. Amazing how that works. So, a buddy of mine sent a picture. Hey, dude, the bike's back. He's all, yeah, for $1,500, I'll get the paint right and detail it out and blah blah woo. I'm like, dude, you're missing the point entirely. I let it get patinaed like that. He's all, It's like, yeah, I don't gotta wash it hardly ever. I don't gotta polish it ever. That's the concept. Get on and ride it. Just maintain it. It's like, what do you mean? Anyways, There she is. She's back in action. I can be heard. Yay! Not any faster. It's not a fast bike by today's standards. It's slow. Blah, blah, blah. It's good enough for the doodoo, but he loves his bike. That's the only reason why I ever bought this motorcycle. It's just to give him rides. So, doodoo bike is back. See you guys.